everyone. I'm Steffi of Guangzhou Half-Right Machinery. Our company is specialized in automatic filling, sealing, capping, labeling machines for granules, powder, and liquids. So let me show you this line. This line is going to ship to UAE, Dubai. It is for automatic vacuum capping, lip labeling, and shrinking machine. So let's see the final effects. Okay, let's see how is our machine working. This kind of machine is usually used for the glass bottle with the metal tips of caps, like this one also, this one, round bottles, and sometimes oval bottles. And it's usually applicable for the garlic, cucumber, ginger, chili sauce, ketchup sauce.